Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite cars, 1956 Ford Fairlane Victoria, two-door hardtop. I will give you all the details in a moment. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about our latest acquisition, a 1956 Ford Fairlane Victoria. Now you're going to want to watch this entire video from start to finish because we're going to do a walk around, we're going to do a cold start, you can hear how this thing runs, or you can click on the link in the description and it'll take you right to this car, all the details of it and the whole 9 yards. It'll also lead you to our website, which is www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, where you will see close to 100 classic and collectible cars and trucks that we currently have in inventory, ranging from cars back in the 20s all the way up into the 70s and beyond. So if you're looking for that collectible vehicle, chances are Ellingson Motorcars probably has it in stock. So anyway, but we're going to talk about our latest acquisition. Like I said, 1956 Ford Victoria. Oh my gosh. I've always been, for whatever reason, that was one of my favorite cars out of the mid-50s. And the greatest color combination on this car you could have ever asked for, in my Peacock Blue, Colonial White. I mean, I just love the way they separated the two tones or whatever with that big flying zoom chrome strip down the car. Now, there's one of the things people always, how can you tell a 55 from a 56? Well, take a look at that chrome that goes down the car. In 1955, it's very, very thin, one thin. In 1956, it's much thicker, goes down the whole length of the car. Just a very easy way to differentiate between a 1955 and 1956. Another differentiation, of course, it still has a 292 V8, one of those standard four-barrel Ford V8 engines that they use for many years. The biggest improvement that I like in 56 is they went to the 12-volt electrical system. For whatever reason, it just seems they start a little easier, turn over faster, all that kind of stuff. Ford was a little slow behind the uptake to get that 12-volt in there because everyone else beat them the year before. But now they've joined the club, and I'll tell you what, vast improvement. As I said, beautiful color combination. I love the wide white wall tires. I mean, that is just another thing that sets these cars off with the full wheel cover, with the Ford emblem in the middle or whatever. I mean, it's one of those things that is just makes it a mid-50s classic Ford car. The other thing that's kind of cool, they always have this little thing right here. It says Thunderbird. So, you know, that was a Thunderbird V8 emblem that they said about it. You know, the other thing, you know, a car like this has is, like I said, it's the Victoria. Now the Victoria, rather than the club sedan, means that it has all open right here. It gives you the feeling, not quite like a convertible, but just gives you a real open air feeling all the way around and whatever. It's just really neat. Now take a look at the interior on this car. I'll tell you what, that is just the way this car came from the factory. Brand new blue carpet in here. It is a 3-speed on the column, which we call, you know, 3 on the tree. Many people go, what? What's 3? Well, us older generation folks know when you say it's a 3 on the tree, we know exactly what that is. It's just the pattern, the shifter's there rather than being on the floor. So it's something that, you know, we are used to getting in and driving. Nice. They have not done anything really to change the interior in any sense of the way. The dash is still the same, an original radio in there. Someone has added an 8-track player in there, you know, like I had when I was back in high school. I probably have 1,000 of those 8-tracks. I don't know how long they last, but hey, it's just one of those interesting, again, another little novelty for this particular car. Now you can find all of our cars on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. Give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. We appreciate that very much. You'll find all the information on this car and all our current inventory, and as an added bonus, you can also find some of the cars we've sold in the past also on those sites. So, you know, if you've got the time to look and you love old cars, take a look at those sites. They'd be kind of fun to do. But yeah, 1956, good year for Ford. Just a really nice car. Dual exhaust on this car too. Oh, it's got a really nice sound. Like I said, watch this video from start to finish, because we'll have that start up so you'll hear what it actually really sounds like. Lots of room in the trunk on these full-side cars. You can put in a couple sets of golf clubs, go cruising, whatever. It's just one of those really, really nice cars. Now, if you're looking to say, you know, I love your videos, I love to look at all this picture, I got to come in person and get my hands on it, really see it. Come on down to Ellingson's. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5 and Saturdays 10 to 4. So if you're like me, you want to come down, put your hands on it, make sure it's real. It is real. But it's right here on our sales floor with many other very, very nice Ford products and others as well. So take a look at our website again at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. And we thank you for watching our videos, and we appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.